Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is a long awaited Lalique Ombre Noire. I waited for more than 2 years for this fragrance. It was never available in the United Kingdom, and overseas some countries had it, some countries didn't have it. I don't know what's going on with the distribution. Is it still available? Is it skinned? I have no idea. What I know is, if you're like me, you've been waiting for this beauty for ages and you couldn't get it in United Kingdom, now is your opportunity to go and get one for £40. Yes, for £40. There is only one seller in United Kingdom doing it. Go and Google it, it will come up, and do your business before it runs out. I'm not sure how many they have. Do they have one or 100? I have no idea. I got mine and I'm very happy. So if you are like me, you've been waiting for it for a long time and you didn't have the opportunity to buy it, this is the opportunity for you to get it. Anyway, so apart from that, before I do the unboxing, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, entertaining, or like this video, I just give you the information to go and get your beloved fragrance. Don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. And also your help and your motivation will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you for your support. So this beauty, so Lalique is first thing first, is one of my favorite brands from France. It's a brand, it's not a house, because their main business originally was sculptures and crystals. So this is their main business, and also some jewelry. So sculptures, crystals, jewelries, these were their business. But since 1960s they've been putting out, or 70s, I can't remember exactly, they've been putting out fragrances once every few years. So they don't have a massive extension in their fragrance portfolio, but what they have, they are exquisite. Each one of them is amazing. For men, I think they have altogether about maybe 7 or 6 in their portfolio, and this beauty is one of them, which I never had before and couldn't get it. I have all the Encre Noire, Encre Noire Sport, Encre Noire, and Encre Noire Extreme. I have so many other ones. Probably I have about 6 or 7 fragrances from them, and each one, as I said, are beauty, because they pay attention to detail, because it's not their business to make fragrances, but when they do, they pay attention to detail, and they give it to a good company to make it for them. And also they always go for a very good perfumers. For example, the Encre Noire line is Natalie Lawson, which is one of the best perfumers in the world, for being around for a few years. So let's get on with this beauty. So when I saw this available, I said, wow, what? I was doing my research and I found it by sheer luck, and I just went for it immediately, and I got it today. So I'm bringing it to your attention immediately to go, and if you are interested, to go and buy it. But let's see how it goes. So a beautiful presentation as always, because they are again specialized in sculptures and jewelry and crystals. Attention to detail is always there. And look at this beautiful box, although it's on the simple side and classic, but it is beautifully done. The design is gorgeous. It's quite on the simplistic side, minimalistic side, but absolutely gorgeous. Sorry about the noise. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that beautiful box. Attention to detail is always beautiful. Okay, and then it comes the real art. Look at this, it's just piece of art. Only for the bottle itself I easily pay 40 quid for, because it's so pretty. Look at that, it's just a piece of art. Okay, attention to detail is always there. The cap is very heavy, but it is wooden, it just feels like a wood. And here we go, let's go and do this. Very good atomizer. Laliques always have beautiful atomizers. Okay, so how is the smell? First impression. We're waiting for ages, for more than 2 years since I heard of it. I just was looking to get one. Anyway, so here we go. First impression. Ho ho! Beautiful. Everything they said about it is true. This is gorgeous. This is, as I said, you know, their attention to detail is always top notch. So they are doing their best in this fragrance. Every fragrance they put out is perfect, is beautiful, but this is, they taking it to a different level. Beautiful. Yeah, so it's very boozy right now. It's very boozy, it's very spicy, and it's got some sweetness, some earthiness to it. But first thing it hits you is the booziness. And as it says Ombre Noire, which means black amber or dark amber, is very dark. It's not very dark, it's dark, and it's very ambery. And amber in here is very inviting, and is very warm, and is very cuddly. It's almost cuddly and sensual. Okay, I can smell something green and leafy. It gives it that tobacco feel. I'm not sure it's a tobacco according here, but given it, I'm getting some tobacco-y feel, especially green leafy tobacco, not a pipe tobacco, not a burnt tobacco, but here is a green leafy tobacco. I'm getting resin feel to it. I'm not sure where does that come from. It's a resinous, so it's about on the balsamic side, but everything is done in unison. So everything is done in balance. Everything is balanced here. Nothing is out of place. Nothing is too much or too little. It's done beautiful to the perfection, especially for the first impression. This is a gorgeous 10 out of 10. Yes, beautiful, perfection. It's got underlying sweetness to it. The sweetness again is medium sweetness. There's not too much, not too little. 10 being the sweetest from 0 to 10. This is around 5, so perfect again. Not too much, not too little in terms of sweetness. I'm getting spices like cinnamon. I'm getting some other spices. Probably there's what do you call it, herbal feel to it as well. So apart from cinnamon, I'm getting herbal feel. Probably there are some coriander or maybe nutmeg, especially. I can smell something nutty in here as well. Oh my goodness, but what a beauty. If you are like me, you've been waiting for this, go and get it. I never recommend blind buy for obvious reasons, because we all have different tastes, different lifestyle, different upbringing, different skin, different environment, different climate, and so on and so forth. And all these factors make you as an individual like or dislike fragrances in a particular way. So if something is good to me, that is not necessarily means it's good to you, and vice versa. So that's why I never go and say go and get it blind buy. But if you know what you're buying and you were waiting for it for ages, like me, I've been waiting for it for ages, and when I saw it, I just went for a bang and without any hesitation, then that is a different kettle of fish, because this is very hard to find for some strange reason. I don't know exactly why, but especially in United Kingdom, I never ever seen it on here, full price, half price, anything. So when I saw it for 40 quid, for God's sake, just went for it, and it's worth every penny. Whoo, beauty, beauty. So it's a combination of this boozy, spicy, ambery, woody, green, tobacco, herbal, sort of balsamic, earthy, just making it mesmerizingly beautiful. Definitely on the mature side. I would say this is definitely 25 and up, to be in the safe side. It's very classy, it's very gentleman-like, so maybe even older. It's very, very gentlemanly. Gorgeous. It's just mesmerizingly beautiful. It's got powderiness to it as well. So multifaceted and so complicated and so complex. It's just amazing. 40 quid. This is a bargain of the century. So overall, absolutely loving it. 2 thumbs up for a first impression. It's just no doubt. You know that so many people talked about this before, and they were all right to say this is a perfection in a bottle. I'm loving it, and I think this is a masterpiece. They have so many good fragrances in their lineup. Something like Ombre Noire Extreme is one of my favorite, and this one tops that one. So imagine how good this is. So definitely for going out, for a formal occasion, for evening, for things like that, this is not a casual fragrance whatsoever. And also this is better suited for cooler weather, but you can rock it all year round if you control the trigger. In summer less, in winter more. Because it's got a strength to it, don't put too much, because then it becomes a little more, it might become cloying. I will let you know in the next video the development, longevity, and things like that. But for now, for first impression, first sniff, you know the answer. Absolutely gorgeous, loving it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to hit those buttons, and if you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make the perfume from scratch to the perfume. Nobody else is involved. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. This is the hands that make the perfume, and they are super artistic, ultra beast mode, very unusual, very intriguing, 100% natural, and amazing value for money. But you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave the links in the description as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye bye bye.